Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney alongside John Tucker, and we're joined by Bloomberg's Christine Aquino. Christine, what are you looking at?
Well, let's talk about Lockheed Martin. So ticker LMT, again, shares up 3.5% at the moment. And that's interesting because, earlier this week, that stock was not doing well because there was a report the Department of Defense will cut its order of F-35s by half. But then on Thursday, we did get some findings from the Congressional Budget Office saying that the operating and support costs of F-35 fighter jets have stabilized. And that was in response to President Trump's order in April to review all major defense acquisition programs. So that was probably helping Lockheed a little bit. And of course, Middle East tensions always boost to defense stocks.
I love the F-35. That looks really cool. I love to fly that thing. What else we got?
Very patriotic.
Awesome.
You might see one tomorrow in the parade.
Yes, that's
exactly.
Right.
Make sure you watch that. But yes, otherwise, we are looking at Oracle as well. That's ticker ORCL. And that stock up really nicely today, more than 5% at the moment. And, we're seeing Oracle being raised to outperform from market perform at BMO Capital Markets. That's after shares hit a record high this week following the software maker's results, projecting a 70% gain in cloud infrastructure sales this fiscal year. So this week, Oracle shares up 20%, nice. And that is the biggest gain since April 2001.
Boom. And I remember April 2001 very well. 52-week high today for Oracle. So how about that? All right, look at the Dow. It's off 525 points, 1.2%. Biggest driver of that downside is Visa. What's going on with Visa?
Exactly. Visa, ticker V, and we're seeing those shares down just about 6% at the moment. So bearing some losses here, but still very much in the red. And that is because we have a Wall Street Journal report saying that there are large merchants, including Walmart and Amazon, that are exploring how to issue or use stablecoins to bypass the traditional fees of card-based systems. Now, yes, I know you're groaning, Paul, because, of course, some analysts pointing out that this is going to be a long uphill battle in terms of adoption, but we do have KBW analyst Sanjay Sakrani saying that, of course, these initiatives could put pressure on the economics of card fees over time.
Stablecoin replacing cards?
Well, how about the old-fashioned way? We're about a wad of cash. Okay, and you play it the old school way. That's how I do it in Jersey Shore.
Yeah, and you're the only one.
And I'm the only one. The only one.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.